usually when you log in on that screen, you will see this home page. Okay. If you don't know how to do it, like you have to remember this URL dev.azure.com/emaiman, meaning you have to go to this one, this screen. If you are not logged in, you have to use your uh, like system username, means Pentex username and email to log in into the system using the Microsoft controller, same way. And then you can go to that workspace, because by default you are coming to this, you will see this whole screen. If you don't see the project here, you can search for it. Suppose EDI you searched, you can see all the EDI projects are coming here. So suppose you want this to be downloaded on your local, click on this and go always to the repos. So basically you can do multiple things here, right? Suppose you have to first find out the repos, go to the repos. Repos is repositories. Okay, you will see like multiple things here. All the files that was committed to the system and when it was committed, when it was changed, everything. Suppose you're monitoring at the top level, you can see if someone is committing the file or not, who is changing that file, when it was committed. So multiple things you can assess over here. I'm not opening source code. It may open anything that is very like important for us, word. So we are not going to open anything. You can see this is the active branch master. What you can do, click on clone if you want to like a synchronous kind of system that you can change and modify to the server as well. So you can click on clone. If you don't want to do this, you can click on this and download as a zip. It will give you the live but one way. This is not connected with your GitHub repository, means that Azure repository, but you can directly download it. So it's going to be easy for you when you are working on it. Means you can directly download it and it's going to be super easy to manage it. So this is the complete API project and that you can manage it. Then you can click clone. When you click on the clone, it will give you the option to where you want to clone. If you want on Visual Studio Code, or you can select on the Visual Studio, and you have to make sure that how that file is going to be linked together. Okay, means this code flowing Visual Studio and needs to be connected with your ID and password, and then it will download everything together, and you can manage it. Otherwise, it's not going to be connected. Means if you download, it will not be connected. You can change everything, and then you can sync later on. With this process, if you click on the clone, it will give you the way how you can like directly clone into the system. Suppose you click on clone, it will open. This one you see. It's automatically opening out this Visual Studio. Will prompt me on the screen where I want to save this. See, it's asking me where you want to save it. If it's connected. If it's not connected, then you have to log into your Visual Studio to make sure you are connected with the correct location. So click on the connect. See, it's file is here. You can. So this is how you can download yourself any project. In this way, you can, if you want to just download the file and you want to work, you don't want to mess up with anything that is already linked over there, you can go download and unzip the folder. So this is the file. You can now open directly clicking on this. Okay. Make sure you're doing this in the WebDB1 because it's going to be easier because that CEF file is only available in that. So that I think I hope you understand it. And if you need anything, just let me know. I will help.